For more than 100 years, air temperature has been measured by weather observers all over the world, and the long term trend is that the earth is warming over time. The temperature is warming because the amount of heat trapping gases in the air is increasing. Even a small increase to average temperatures makes a big difference. This is because the whole distribution of daily temperatures shifts to warmer levels, making hotter days more likely and more extreme. A small shift makes a big difference. The water cycle is the term for how water first evaporates from the earth, rises into the atmosphere to form clouds, and then falls again as rain or snow. As NASA explains, the Earth climate crisis is naturally speeding the process because warmer temperatures cause water to evaporate faster. Climate models have predicted that the water cycle could intensify by as much as 7% for every degree Celsius of global warming. As average temperatures continue to climb, drought has become a permanent part of our vocabulary. For one, water generally evaporates more quickly at higher temperatures. For that reason, hotter weather can result in drier soils. As high air temperatures sap liquid water from soils and plants' leaves, transforming it into an atmospheric water vapor via a process called transpiration. Ground level drying will also increase in some regions. Ironically, this additional atmospheric moisture triggers heavier downpours in other regions, which explains why the overall trend in the US has been towards wetter conditions. Higher air temperatures not only encourage drought conditions to build but also intensifies them. What might have otherwise been a mild or moderate drought in a cooler world will become, in a warmer world, more severe as a result of increased evaporation.
Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf Adribehi, and today we're going to make science experiments that will blow your mind. Guys, how you can imagine that if you drink all the water and you finish it, and can you make something good with it? So today we're going to use these two empty bottles to create something good. Let's try to make this bottle into a stand for a plant. First step, you need to cut this part of the bottle. Second step, you need to tape this part because it's sharp, because it won't hurt your fingers. So that's good for the environment. Now the stand for the plant is ready. Now you put some bamboo trees and you fill it with water. Now we finished the first project. The second project is a watering bottle. We mix hole at the top so we fill it with water and then we can water the plants. First, now we finish this filling the water, and second, now we're gonna flip it and we pour the water. Look, see, right? It drips. And then we put it in the soil so it doesn't shocking the plants. Thank you guys for seeing my video.
Hi, I'm Matvey. Let's talk about microplastic. We all know what plastic bottles and bags damage nature. But did you know that microbeads, the small plastic particles, can be even more dangerous? And they can be smaller than virus. They come from synthetic fibers, car tires, city dust, personal care products. They are ingested by people, animals and fish, and even get to our blood. We need to protect our water and health. Buy organic clothes, buy plastic-free cosmetics, don't use plastic bags, use public transportation. We need more efficient filters in washing machines and water systems. We need global effort. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Jaiswal from class 4A CBSE. Today I will tell you about plastic and how to stop it. You see, I went around my house and tried to find all the plastic that was lying around scattered everywhere. I found containers, water bottles, photo albums, rackets, mouse, remote controllers, Rubik's cubes, scales, combs, toys, guns, phone, and so much more. And plastic is not only in the land, but also in the water. Tiny nanoparticles of plastic are going inside of food, and that's the reason that's making us sick. Plastic is also non-biodegradable, so it takes over 1,000 years to get rid of it. There are pieces of debris around here and there from the Arctic to Antarctica. And Mount Everest is being piled up with small plastic trash as I'm speaking. And there are also mountains of trash all around the world. Over 90% of the seagulls' guts are filled with plastic, and 50% of the world's sea turtles' stomach are filled with plastic. National parks have plastic scattered all over around the place, and sewers are being clogged by plastic. The next time you're going into a grocery store or any kind of shop, and the weight is too heavy for you when you're trying to come back, and you find one of these plastic bags, don't use them. Instead, try to bring your own leather or jute or linen bag. That doesn't include plastic, of course. So you and me can help save the world. Recycling is also a very good method of getting rid of plastic. The next time you see a green or a blue bin scattered around in the streets, having the recycle sign on it, and you have a plastic bag and think it's of no use now, you just hop on and put that right in. So if you start doing these simple activities, you and me can save the earth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin and welcome back to Qutuhal Challenge 2. So, today our topic is, will climate change lead to less rainfall and more droughts? Let's see. In a warmer future climate, there will be regions experiencing less rainfall and more frequent droughts. This is because higher temperatures lead to increased evaporation rates. More waste is drawn from the surface into the atmosphere, leaving less available for precipitation. This can cause shifts in weather systems, potentially resulting in some regions receiving less rainfall. Warmer temperatures can influence cloud formation and behavior, affecting rainfall patterns. It's important to note that while these trends are expected on a global scale, regional variations can occur. Some areas might experience increased rainfall due to shifts in weather patterns, while others face more pronounced drought conditions. Overall, climate change's impact on rainfall and drought is a complex issue influenced by global climate trends and regional environmental factors. Communities should adapt and implement sustainable water management practices to mitigate potential risks associated with changing precipitation patterns. Thank you for turning into this video. I hope that we take some actions on these drought and rainfall problems.
Warmer future climate is a very serious condition as it's a persistent global issue and can sometimes be very harmful to us. Scientists have analyzed this and figured out that 95% of this rise in temperature is because of us. As now, for human purposes, we are deforesting, polluting water and land, and letting out harmful gases into the atmosphere. This might not seem like a big issue, but in reality, due to this, many people are dying because increase in temperature can lead to significant number of problems. This includes droughts for both human and animals, less moisturized soil, more rainfall, and sometimes even leading to floods and storms. The reason behind these floods are because when there is an increase in temperature, it means increase in moisturized air, hence leading to extreme rainfall and floods. Before we see the reason behind droughts, we have to first know what are droughts. Droughts are phenomenons that are caused due to the lack of water or precipitation. Okay, so now that we know what are droughts, let's see the reason behind it. As there is an increase in warmer temperature, water is evaporated more frequently due to the heat, leading to droughts. Warmer climates have consequences on our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets in the regions of Antarctica are melting, causing increase in water levels. Warmer temperatures also makes weathers extreme, which includes storms, floods, heavy snowfall, less moisturized soil, and frequent droughts. And because of these harsh conditions, growing crops are very difficult. In addition to that, these climates can directly affect physical health as these temperature can cause asthma, heart diseases, and etc. We can summarize that warmer future climates can cause more droughts, heavy rainfall, floods, rise in sea level, affect food sources, less moisturized soil, etc. And we have to prevent this as this risks many people's and animals' lives on danger. Thank you.
My name is Sunshine. I'm from India and my school name is GIIS Global Indian International School, Kuala Lumpur. So I'm gonna explain about whales, and if there would be no whales, the whales eat fish and the fish eat plankton and the plankton eats the whale's food. So if there would be no fish, the plankton won't be able to eat and the fish, and if there would be no plankton, the fish won't be able to. And after that, the whale even eats CO2. So if they won't eat that, the earth will get hotter and hotter.